the Krushuna Karpachevo Eco Trail through the eyes of time. Children are going to school to the neighboring village. The path they are following winds through meadows full of red rose ships, dark blueberries, fragrant forest flowers, blooming grasses and herbs. Half a century later, the same route has been restored from the locals' memories and turned into Eco Trail through the eyes of time. It starts in the village of Krushuna, initially following a tarmac road, but soon turning into a separate marked trail. For nearly 3 kilometers, it takes us to several natural and historical sites of interest. The route provides nature lovers with the chance to experience a variety of wildlife. Plenty of fragrant medical herbs grow in the area. Several couples of black storks, included in Bulgaria's Red Book of Protected Species, are nesting on the higher rocks of the village. Other feathery locals include the white snake eagle, the northern goshawk, and the kite. The trail winds through the so-called Maratha area, whose name comes from the Hebrew for mountain water. Here you can really witness the whole variety of karst formations like whirlpools, hollows, carry, blind, sand blind and dry valley, canyon, precipice and cave galleries. If it wasn't for the available markings, stairs and bridges, the area would have been practically impassable. The narrow trail making its way through the limestone rocks takes us to the most remarkable water caves in Bulgaria, only accessible to experienced cave divers. The next point along the route is the village of Karpachevo. In the 16th century, Turkish stock breeders settled down here, to whom the village's old name of Urukleri is due. Later on, in the socialist area, the village was renamed after the local rebel poet Hristo Karpachev, author of one of the most famous Bulgarian partisan songs. The village stands out for its preserved old-time architecture of houses and dry stone dikes.